Hey guys, Nash here, back with one of the most anticipated ROM of this year. The dotOS is back with its Pi update. dotOS 3.0 is now officially available for many Android devices, and in this video we are going to review this ROM, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you the battery life of this ROM. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, from boot animation to home screen to notification drawer to setting menu, everything is customized here and everything looks slightly different than stock Android. Look at these icons, they are custom icons which is only available for dotOS. Now when you go to setting menu, as you can see, all the setting icons are customized so it can go with this theme. And this comes directly from the ROM. I haven't customized this ROM yet. Now if you have been following me for a long time, then you might already know that Oreo version of this ROM was outstanding, and this ROM was my #1 favorite custom ROM of 2018, and now it's back with Android Pie. As you can see, this is dotOS version 3.0 official with the latest security patch of 5th February. Now first of all, let's go to app drawer and let me show you what kind of apps you get with this ROM. So first you have this advanced setting where you can customize various things like intensity of your vibrator, or you can customize your LED light. And then we have this custom browser, and along with that we get dotOS wallpaper app. Now in this wallpaper app you will find plenty of good looking wallpapers, and then we have equalizer if you like to tweak your audio and if you don't want to flash Viper for Androids, and this is the best thing that you can do without installing anything. Okay, now let's go to setting menu and let me show you what kind of features you get. So as soon as you enter setting menu, you will see these custom icons in setting menu which is specifically designed for this ROM. So in the setting menu on the top right hand corner, you can see which user is signed in. Unfortunately, that's not working right now. When you tap on that, nothing happens right now, maybe in the future updates. And now let's go to features. So all the features are packed here in this tab called dot extra. So when you tap on that, you will find all the features are neatly organized in these different tabs like status bar, navigation bar, quick setting, recent bar, lock screen and system. So if you install this ROM, you can customize anything and you can make your device completely personal and unique. Now if you compare this ROM's feature with HavoCOS features, then of course HavoCOS has more feature, but if you're looking for stability and good gaming performance, then you should install this ROM. Now when it comes to camera, this ROM comes with Gcam pre-install. Now Gcam is a superior camera than any other camera app which can take outstanding photos, as well as it has portrait mode. And now let's talk about the main thing, the battery life. So if you install this ROM, you might get around 10 to 11 hours of screen on time in Redmi Note 4. Make sure the keyword is Redmi Note 4. You might not get that much battery life in any other phone like OnePlus. That all depends on your battery size. And guys, if you appreciate my work, then press the bell icon and like this video. This is your friend Nash signing out. I will see you tomorrow.